Welcome back to another cooking episode with Patrick, Amy, and a pastel cat named Rosie Pose. There you are. So today's project, and can you cook in a 30-foot yacht? Yes, you can. We have we're going to be doing chicken burgers. So the first thing we don't have burgers, but we got English muffins, so we're going to stick with that. We got mushrooms and an onion. We're going to saute that in a pan. And yeah, so we got 2 pieces of cheese, 1 for each burger. Then I'm gonna make my chicken that's world famous, I guess you can say, from 2 episodes ago maybe. And we're going to piece it all together, and it's gonna be amazing. I just realized we don't have a side, so I hope you just enjoy just one burger. I got strawberries, frozen strawberries, the chocolate ones, so maybe you can have that as a dessert. Okay, got her blessing. So the first thing we're gonna do is gotta make that chicken. We gotta butter our bread, cheese it up, rip apart the chicken, and saute all this. So yeah, this is gonna be actually a bit of a challenge. We'll see if we can do it. So let me start off with the chicken. So Amy had a fantastic idea for a side. So I pulled out cutting board. There's a lot more. I gotta actually clean up this area so I can actually function in this area. There's a lot of things that just don't need to be here. But Amy suggested we go into our little pantry here, and as a side we can grab some
corn.
No. Niblets. Niblets? I saw that over niblets. So we're gonna do that. So perfect. Let's get this started. To start with, we did my famous chicken thighs with and the legs with oil, spice, no, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Simple, simple, simple. Great chicken. Do you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Scrumptious.
So the other 2 pieces of chicken, we're gonna actually do something really fun with them tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that if you want to see it. And if you want to know how, I put the chicken together, check out the last episode, I guess you can say, or the last video, if they exist. So we're gonna put those away for tomorrow, and start chopping up everything else. So I think we have everything ready. We got the chicken that's marinating. We got the vegetables, onions and mushrooms that are marinating. The cheese is just getting warm, and the buns are cut. The last thing I actually forgot to do is grab some butter, because I'm going to just butter each side. So let's start cooking. So we had one last minute request: barbecue sauce as a topping. So let's get this guy out. Oh wow, we don't have much left, eh? Yeah. Yeah, we saw it at the store on sale. Damn. Okay. Well, anyways, let's try and use as much as we can out of this guy. We got our pan, we got this, and we got oil. We're going to be doing it outside because it turns out Amy has a great point. It's going to make a mess.
Big mess.
We don't have like a ventilation system.
No.
Stuff. Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow, the seat wasn't down. So, yeah. So
What's with the chopsticks?
we don't have anything like to mix it, so I'm gonna use chopsticks. And, yeah, see?
You have a spatula.
Yeah, but it's huge. Look at it's like the size of this pan.
What about your tongs?
It's gonna scratch up the surface. I'm not sure if you're allowed to do that. So chopsticks it is. It's not the best. Anybody has any small utensils? Probably wooden would be good, or some kind of like
Yeah.
Easy-
Or something, but...
easy
Yeah,
clean
we're
thing.
trying to find it. That's what we're trying to find, is a small spatula that's good. That's not, like crappy plastic or, but just like, cause they're so big and storing and like in these little pans, it's too much.
It's so hard to find utensils that will fit on a boat where it won't take up an enormous amount of space. And
fill your entire cooking surface.
yeah, Amy's brother actually got us one of these, and it's really cool. You just pop the top.
You got us 2.
Yeah, but pepper, I like fresh ground pepper.
Yeah,
so
it's supposed to, like,
finally
keep it from making a disaster everywhere.
Yeah, so
And hopefully keep the moisture out too.
it's pretty cool. Yeah. So chicken's just about done. So I'm gonna get started on that, but the mosquitoes out there are crazy, so I gotta turn off the
Should I
lights.
start the corn?
No, not yet, because I'm gonna piece everything together. I'll let you know when to start the corn, okay?
Okay, deal.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep this low key because of the damn mosquitoes, but there we go. Got my chopsticks, I got my pot pan. It's not exactly level, but I think it's gonna work. Okay, wish me luck. Mushrooms smell good?
Oh, so good. I just want to eat them right now.
All right, so we got the chicken here. I got to take it apart. I got the bread buttered. We got the mushrooms, and yeah, that's pretty good. Amy's got her thing going, and it's basically perfect. I got the cheese here. Amy wants a little bit of mayo.
No, you wanted mayo.
Do you want mayo?
I said a little bit.
Yeah, okay. What's same thing.
Sorry, let me just sit back and watch the show.
I'm not gonna put it together to you. I got bitten alive out there. The barbecue's on fire. The butane thing that I had going on, I'm not even sure. Like at this point, I'm not even sure I showed it on camera. But I'm gonna piece all these things together, and we'll see what we come up with. So I pulled apart the chicken, cheese, a little bit of onions and stuff, and then the topping. Damn, that looks pretty freaking good. I don't know. I hope it tastes good. What do you think?
Oh my god, I'm starving.
At this point, I don't think it matters if it tastes good for you. Amy, here is your, I already forgot what it is. Chicken with the and with the
Oh, hi kitties. Oh.
And utensils so you don't make a mess.
Ready to eat.
Here's mine, because I don't give a stuff. Presentation for me is nothing. For her, it's a little bit better. Anyways, so we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna give the cat some treats, and then we're going to bed.
We're gonna watch TV, no?
Yeah, we're gonna watch a little bit of TV, but cancel out the video.
Yeah.
So, eat, enjoy. Let me know how it tastes.
Okay, I will. Oh no, I need a napkin.
Napkin.
It is so stinking good. Holy,
Yeah?
Oh no. Okay.
All hell broke loose?
No.
Okay. Okay, here.
Okay, I just need a plate.
Okay, let me
Fancy presentation.
Not on a boat.
Failing. God, this is your pillow tonight. Back to basics. Okay, I'm gonna give you this, and I need a fresh one.
Is it good?
It's stinking delicious. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Be honest, because if you, I'm gonna cook it again.
I'm starving, so it's good. Can I have a napkin, please?
Meow. Meow. You meow too? All right. So people in the comments, whose is whose? This one and this one. Okay, Amy. People will eventually figure it out, but
Rosie Pose.
that one is Rosie Pose?
Rosie Pose.
Yeah?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we're gonna take Rosie Pose
Rosie Pose.
and then take the actual cat
Rosie.
because Peanut will eat everything.
Yeah, Peony finishes Rosie's when she's done.
Whiskers.
Even though you wouldn't believe it because Rosie's the bigger one.
Yeah. Peony knows what's good. What about Rosie? What is she doing?
Oh,
I'll give you the camera.
Rosie? Is there any left in there? Hey? Is there any left in there? Oh, I don't really know how to work this thing very well, but... Oh, okay.
Okay, well, give me this back. And we'll top you up with some chocolate covered strawberries and call it a night. Alright?
Okay. Good night, guys.
That's your pillow.
No.
This is my wife, Amy. My name is Patrick. Now, this is a story of us going from Hamilton through the Trent. We get into accidents because people got injured.
Oh my god.
Follow along to see what happens.
Live and unscripted.
Close the gates of Sodom.
Napkin.
Napkin.
It is so stinking good.
Absolutely nuts. The cats are freaking out. We're gonna have probably.
Crazy. Oh god, don't show it.
My guesstimation, 70% chance that you're going to keep your toe.
Alright, Pat's giving me a piggyback ride back to the boat. I'm all bandaged up and hopefully I don't lose my toe.